How do Smithsonian scientists conserve specimens at the National Museum of Natural History? Imagine walking into a giant treasure chest filled with millions of natural wonders from around the world. That's what the National Museum of Natural History in Washington, D.C. is like. Behind the scenes, Smithsonian scientists work hard to keep these treasures in top shape for years to come. First, they carefully preserve each specimen right after collection. For example, plants like algae are fixed in a special solution called buffered formalin seawater. This keeps their color and shape intact. Once fixed, they are rinsed and prepared so they can be studied or displayed later. This process stops decay and keeps the specimen looking as close to the original as possible. Preventive conservation is a big part of their work. Scientists control the environment where specimens are stored. They keep the temperature around 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity between 45 and 55%. These conditions help prevent mold spores, and pests from damaging the collections. They also use special cabinets that block out light, dust, and insects. Handling specimens is another important step. For fragile items like taxidermy mounts, scientists support them with foam and cotton ties to prevent breaking. When working with minerals or specimens that might contain hazardous substances like arsenic or DDT, they wear gloves to stay safe. This careful handling helps keep the specimens safe from physical damage. Cataloging is essential for tracking each specimen. Every item gets a unique number and detailed notes about where and when it was collected, what it is, and other important details. All this information is stored in a digital database that scientists can access anytime. This way, they can find and study specimens easily, even years later. For genetic research, scientists preserve tissue samples or DNA alongside the physical specimens. These genetic materials are stored in special conditions to keep them stable. If a specimen gets damaged, conservators work to stabilize it without changing its original features. Sometimes, minor repairs are made, especially for specimens meant for display, to keep them looking good and stable. All these steps help Smithsonian scientists protect the collections for future research and education. Their work ensures that these natural history treasures remain available for everyone to learn from, no matter how much time passes.